Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the watch and phone. Charge the watch above 20% and confirm Bluetooth is active. Open the Noise Companion app, and once done, check firmware updates so features behave predictably. Make sure battery saver is off because it forces display sleep. Next, on the watch, set screen timeout to the maximum value. This prevents early dimming. While you do these steps now, you set the foundation for the always-on display to work reliably. You now enable the always-on display. Open watch settings, tap display, then always-on display. Choose a minimal face so the watch consumes less power. Once selected, disable animated complications because they drain battery. If offered, pick continuous mode for full-time AOD or schedule specific hours to save power during night. Make sure brightness is moderate. High brightness shortens runtime. While making these changes, test the watch by covering and uncovering it to confirm the screen stays visible. You finish by restarting the watch and phone to apply settings. Once rebooted, verify AOD remains active. If it doesn't, reset display settings or clear the Noise app cache and re-enable AOD. This often resolves stubborn state issues. Also check wrist detection and do not disturb modes because they can block the display. If problems persist, unpair and repair the watch as a last resort. One key troubleshooting tip: toggling wrist detection off then on frequently restores normal AOD behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.